Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACBFF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis, including yesterday. So that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And before anything else, I want to do a little house cleaning here. And I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line right there. Yes, it pertains to the chart, but it's just not really, it pertains, but from a presentation standpoint, I want to try to apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, and try to look at this as clean as possible. And from the presentation standpoint, though, this is a pretty tricky chart to talk about because of all the perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 20 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty terrible right now. However, if you care about the big picture of things, yeah, I get it. The price pulled back from where it's, where it was. But that's just 1 day. Looking at multiple days, the bulls do still have an opportunity to build a higher base, and that's the name of the game. As long as higher bases are being built over time, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you just had a different strategy and outlook going into the trade. And the reason why I still say that the bulls are very clearly in control has everything to do with this green line here that I talked about in yesterday's video. And that line is right there and valued at $5.70. I mean, the price bounced right off it. On top of that, the price is still very clearly up above the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average, which I talked about in past videos. But in a nutshell, as I said in past videos, as long as the price is above that purple line from the grand scheme of things perspective, then from the overall sense, the bulls are in full control, full health. Yeah, the price pulled back a little bit, but no price can go up and up and up every single day. It's all about those healthy consolidations. But Clay, how are you defining quote-unquote healthy consolidation? Again, staying up above that purple line, the bulls are in full control. And you can see right now the purple line is the same value as that green line, 570. So if you didn't quite connect those dots, $5.70, definitely a very important level of support going into tomorrow. As far as levels of resistance, nothing new here has changed, $6.50, still that key battleground going into tomorrow. So all in all, yeah, big picture perspective, I get it. The price pulled back today, but today, 1 day, looking at multiple days, bulls still have an opportunity to build a higher base. So that is definitely priority number one right now, staying up above $5.70. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.